Financial analysis, you can have multiple objectives. So the objective of financial analysis can be to analyze your profitability of the company. Is it your company profitable or not profitable, or how you can make it more profitable? Okay, just understanding only profitability is not the point. The point is to learn how to make it more profitable and returns. Okay. Then the second thing you can understand is we used to return. What are the returns on our investment? To run any company, you need money, correct? And when you invest any money, you want the return out of it. You want something in back. So yesterday we learned you can either earn profits or increase the value of your money or of your investments, correct? So that is the second objective. And the third objective is to understand, are there operational efficiencies via financial numbers. So operational efficiency you can understand by looking at it, or there are non-financial parameters. For example, like how many customers are coming. If you go to social media, you can say how many likes are there. These are not financial transactions, right? But it will tell you your efficiency in marketing, efficiency in the business. But how about efficiency in production, efficiency in managing the cost, efficiency in hiring the peoples, right? Labor turnover. So those you can understand from your financial numbers. Okay. And is it the company is liquid enough or will survive a downturn? If there is no business tomorrow, how long we can survive without getting money? Or what are the risks in the company? Will the company be able to pay their loan? Will the company be able to pay the interest that they are having? So investors and suppliers or the bankers, they also want to understand the liquidity in the company, the risk in the company. Otherwise, if your company is found risky, then they will not be giving you the loans. So our objective is to understand all from these four perspectives and manage our ratios, because the bankers, the financial analysts or the investors look at these ratios. So you need to understand what are those ratios and how we can manage it.